Are you preparing for the ICSE 2025 board exam? In this video, we bring you past year board questions on GST along with practice sets to help you score high. Watch till the end, test your knowledge, and improve your understanding with step-by-step solutions. Let's get started. This is a 2024 ICSE board question. Pause the video, try solving it on your own, and then resume to check your answer. Give it your best shot. Here, CGST is given as 120, so SGST is also 120. The total GST is 120 plus 120 equals 240. The marked price is given as 2000. So, X% of 2000 equals 240. Solving for X, we get X is equal to 12%. Hence, the GST rate is 12%. Now, let's move to the second question. The given price is 500 per kg, and the quantity is 2 kilograms. The GST rate is 5%. So, 5% of 500 multiplied by 2 equals 50 rupees. Now, for the second part, the given price is 100 rupees per piece, with a quantity of 12 pieces, and the GST rate is 18%. So, 18% of 100 multiplied by 12 equals 216 rupees. The total GST is 50 plus 216, which equals 266 rupees. Now, calculating the total bill, the cost of 2 kilograms at 500 per kg is 1000. The cost of 12 pieces at 100 per piece is 1200. Adding the GST of 266, the total bill amounts to 2466 rupees. Now coming to the next question. This is your 2025 question. The marked price is given as 1200 with a 20% discount and GST at 18%. We need to find the SGST. Selling price equals 1200 minus 20% of 1200, which is 1200 minus 240, giving us 960 rupees. Now, SGST is 18% of the selling price, which means 18% of 960. Try solving it, then resume the video to check your answer. GST is 18% of the selling price, which means 18% of 960. Now, calculating. GST is equal to 18 by 100 times 960 is equal to 172.80. Since SGST is half of the total GST, SGST is equal to 172.80 divided by 2 is equal to 86.40. So, the SGST amount is 86 rupees and 40 paise. Pause the video and try solving this question. Then, let's go through the solution together. Now, let's calculate the total amount to be paid, including GST. For option A, dry fruits, 1 kilogram. Marked price is equal to 1200 rupees. Discount is equal to 100 rupees. Selling price is equal to 1200 rupees to 100 rupees is equal to 1100 rupees. GST at 12% equals 12% of 1100 rupees is equal to 132 rupees. For option B, flour, 5 kilograms. Marked price is equal to 286 rupees. No discount. GST at 5% equals 5% of 286 rupees is equal to 14 rupees and 30 paise. For option C, bakery products. Marked price is equal to 500 rupees. Discount is equal to 10% of 500 rupees is equal to 50 rupees. Selling price is equal to 500 rupees to 50 rupees is equal to 450 rupees. GST at 12% equals 12% of 450 rupees is equal to 54 rupees. Now, adding everything together, total amount to be paid is equal to 2036 rupees and 30 paise. This is the final bill amount. Pause the video and try solving this question. Then, let's go through the solution together. This is a 2023 question. The marked price, MP, is given as 3080 rupees. The rate of GST is 10%. To find the GST amount, we calculate 10% of 3080 rupees is equal to 308. This is a 2023 question. The price is given as 1200 with a discount of 100 and the GST rate is 18%. First, we calculate the selling price. 1200 minus 100 gives 1100. Now, GST is 18% of 1100, which is 198. For the second item, the price is given as 600 with no discount and the GST rate is 12%. So, GST is 12% of 600, which is 72. Now, the total GST is 198 plus 72, which equals 270. For Part B, the total bill amount, including GST, is calculated as 1100 plus 198 plus 600 plus 72, which equals 1970. So, the total bill amount, including GST, is 1970. Now move to next question. Pause the video and try solving it yourself. Now, let's go through the solution. In the first question, GST is given as 12% and the selling price is 800. So, GST is 12% of 800, which equals 96. The total price of the shirt is the selling price plus GST, which is 800 plus 96, giving a final amount of 896. So, the correct option is C, 896. Now, moving to the second question. The marked price of an article is 5,000 and the shopkeeper gives a discount of 10%. That means the discount amount is 10% of 5,000, which is 500. The selling price after discount is 5,000 minus 500, which equals 4,500. Now, GST is 12% of 4,500, which equals 540. So, the final amount to be paid by the customer, including GST, is 4,500 plus 540, which totals 5040. Third question. Final price is equal to 885 rupees, including 18% GST. Let the reduced price be X. X plus 18% of X is equal to 885. After solving this one, the value of X is 750. Reduction in price is equal to 885 to 750 is equal to 135 rupees. Now do the fourth question and check your answer.